Bye! Machi pa kayo, no?
Hindi namin pinag-usapan.
Tara na! Pati bag?
Ayaw nga, no? Ang OA.
Bye!
Bye-bye. See ya. See ya, Manila!
Ikaw na bahala sa mga anak ka, sa mga halaman ko, tsaka sa...
Makabait ka sa inyo.
Time check. 2:14.
Hello. Welcome to Mabuhay Lab.
Grabe naman yung pa-welcome na yun. Pa-welcome na yun. Ano ba yun?
Gin bilog lang tayo.
Ngayon, Jean Square na.
Gin.
Octagon. Anong sabi ko sa'yo?
Sabi ko, kakuha na ako pagkain. Sabi na, tara kain tayo. Sabi niya, hindi ako gutom. Tingnan niyo. Ako yung nagsalad. Siya, carbs. Ano may siomay? Siomay.
Rice and arroz caldo.
Rice ulit.
Hindi masyado. We are now boarding. Pero nito pa tayo sa lounge. VIP kasi itong kasama ko. Just woke up. Magising ko. Friendship bracelet. Thank you, pal. It says flight. Also, di ako nakakain. Kayo. Sabi ito. Hindi. How is it flying here?
Tulog lang.
Yes, I'm so happy na hindi ako ginising. And nung last 20 minutes na, yung guy na
Ano?
na FA, feeling ko crush niya ako. Hindi, feeling ko may crush ako sa crush ko na siya. Kasi sobrang siya.
Sobrang?
Concerned siya na hindi ba ako kumakain. Sabi niya, may 20 minutes pa daw. So, sinerve niya yung fruits ko.
Dahil lang sa fruits. Oh, thank you, bye.
Oh yeah, and they gave us friendship bracelet.
Yes. Ako suot ko na.
Thank you.
Thank you, bye.
Yes! Finally, it's sinking in. Nandito na kami sa
Singapore.
Yes. We're on our way now to Bezos. And we're gonna ride all the rides
No.
there. Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. First line in business daw.
Yaw-yaw.
Ilaw-ilaw.
Ay! Mag-Starbucks ako. Kailangan ko ng kape. Sinong gusto magkape? Magkapera.
Makapeleng.
Ano?
Makapeleng ka.
Makape.
Ay, ito na yung yaw-yaw mo. Ilaw. Ilaw-ilaw. Starbucks. Hi, I'm sad.
Bakit sad?
Sabi ko sad. Ayaw nila. Masaya.
Hi, I'm Bradley.
Baka hindi sa'yo yan.
Sa akin to.
Bakit Bradley?
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi ka ba tinanong kung pangalan mo?
Tinanong. Sabi ko red. Bradley.
Layo.
Masad.
Ito naman si Bradley. Ayun yung pangalan natin sa isa't isa for today.
Bradley and Sadness.
This is our tour guide for today. Hi, Miss Gladys. Okay, mindset ka na. Okay, we will ride it maybe 2 times.
One for you and one for you.
I-rate namin ni Pula yung mga rides na nasakyan namin.
I-rate ko din yung ka-OA yan ni Seth. Sobrang OA.
So, yung first ride namin is Enchanted Airways.
Sa far out.
Yeah. So, we will rate it 7 out of 10. Talaga, kaya pala sabi mo may hilo na. Hilo factor, okay. Next is, ito na. Puss in Boots. For this ride, we will rate it
12.
12 out of 10.
Yes.
Okay. Ako, I will rate it
Dahil meron disco sa dulo.
7.5 out of 10 because saya lang.
Lakas nga ng sigaw.
Oh, eh. Next is What World.
What world?
What World.
Alright. Let's go to that.
What World.
H2 will go.
This is our next ride. You can't really see, but it's our next.
Alright, so Canopy Flyer, of course, is the one where you're flying on top. Alright, again, no express access.
Sabi ni Gladys, this is gonna be a chill ride. Tapos nung
Tawa lang kami tawa na ako ng tawa the moment kasi the moment that I realized namin na hindi pala siya chill.
Sabi ko pa naman, sabi naman ni Gladys, okay lang daw to chill ride. Na nandun na kami sa taas, sabi ko ay scammer.
Scammer. Tapos tawa lang kami ng tawa. Wala na.
Wala na.
Chill.
I would rate it negative 10 dahil na-scam kami.
Sige. Dahil nagulat din ako, I would rate it 2. Pero yung ride is 7.
Ako mga 8. Pero dahil scam ako, negative 10.
So have a wonderful day here at Jurassic Park.
Jurassic Park.
Remember to remain in your boats at
So, i-rate namin yung Jurassic Park. Na dinosaur! I would rate it 5 out of 10.
4. Ayoko
Kasi-
sa mga nakaka-haggard na rides.
Oo, tsaka hindi kami nabasa sa sa pawis kami
Oo.
nabasa. Hindi, kasi
Medyo
naka-raincoat kasi tayo.
Medyo hindi
pero-
namin branding tong ride na to. So, baka sa iba, it works for you. Feeling ko kay Lance. Gino G si
Oo.
Lance dito.
Sa mga nababasa, di na di sila inside. But
Oo.
for us, maybe not today, maybe tomorrow. Our next ride! Your favorite!
Yes, get ready.
So what should I expect here? Revenge of the Mummy.
Expect nothing but darkness and evil.
For real?
Yeah. Go. Let's go!
So, I would rate this.
1 billion over 10.
Yeah. Siguro ako 100 out of 10.
KOA ako.
This is our next ride. Transformers. So, I would rate it
Negative 10.
2 out of 10.
Nahilo ako.
Oh, mas nakakahilo pa siya kaysa sa The Mummy. Ito na! Finally. After so many hours of convincing, wala. Ito naman si Straight Face. Finally, we're riding the roller coaster. Ano tawag sa roller coaster? Okay, yan. Basta yan. Oh! Let's go! This is us before the roller coaster. This is us after the ride. Naligo kami easy while in the ride. Worth it ang pangungulit ko sa kanya buong araw na sumakay. I will rate it 100 out of 10. How about you? Speechless naman si Bradley.
Alright, you guys ready?
Yes.
Yeah, we walk that side so that we don't walk too much in the rain.
Nakakapote na kami kasi susugod kami sa ulan. Yeah, because it's raining. While nasa ride kami, umulan City. So, ang sakit sa mukha. Pero yun, worth it. Easy. Na-experience namin yung full experience ng Singapore. the sunny and rainy season.
Lalaputan na yan. Nagkita na yan. Basaan.
Yes. Basa-basa yung pants ko. Parang nilublog sa tubig. Ano ba yun? Ito naman si Sando.
Kasi basang-basa na yung ano mo.
Okay. Thank you pala. This is a very fun USS experience. Thank you. We are trying the, what do you call this?
Bakit walang minchoke?
Anong tawag dito?
Ha?
What do you call this?
Ice cream sandwich.
Yeah, sabi ni Paula, this is a must daw.
Right opposite.
Yay! So, this is the famous. Ano ulit tawag dito?
Ice cream sandwich.
Ice cream sandwich. Naartihan ko pa ice cream sandwich lang po. Yay! Okay, let's try.
Up.
Ang OA ko pero
Mahal.
ang sarap. Uy, ang sarap. Ang sarap ng bread. Ang OA ko pero totoo.
Mahal tayo.
Nagulat talaga ako.
How would you
Must
rate
try.
it?
1 million over 10. Promise. No joke.
Guys, from 1 to 10, i-rate niyo din yung ka-OA ni Sid dun sa reaction niya. Comment niyan. 1 to 10. Kabal, kaya muna kami.
Can you believe it? We're really here.
No.
And we're about to watch Miss Taylor Swift in less than 24 hours.
Kala ko parokya ni Edgar, papa.
Parang mali. Can you believe it?
Let's go.
Believe it.
Kailangan matulog muna tayo.
Para sa'yo. Malalaman ko. Okay, good morning. So, nakaligo na ako ng pag-blower and prep ng skin. But before anything else, we are going to unbox our package na nakuha namin. So, first is, oh my gosh, unexpected to. Kasama sa package ang Mega Fearless Vinyl. Oh my gosh, Taylor's version. Oh, thank you so much. Kala mo binigay, pero hindi ko alam na may kasamang ganito. And then, our merch box. Merch box. We will open this together. Ayan. Wow! Ganda. So first we have this one. Ayan. Ito yung mga, ano niya, poster. Taylor Swift Eras Tour. Another one. And then this one. First is this one. Ay, second na pala to. First ako na first. So this one is the tote bag. Ayan. Taylor Swift. The Eras Tour. Yeah, play. Yeah. And then, unahin muna natin to. Oh, this one is the, yung pin. And then the tickets! Oh my god! Oh my god. Parang kailan lang, minamanifest namin to ni Pula. And it's finally happening. And then this one is mga postcards. Ayan. Of her eras. Midnight, Evermore, Folklore, Love, Reputation. This is my outfit for today. Reputation. 1898. 1898. 1989. Lagi ko na pagbabaliktad yun. Red. This one is Fearless. And then, ito ba yung debut niya? Yes, yung debut niya. And then, this one is Speak Now. Speak Now! And then, this one holds the VIP card and lanyard. Look at this one. Cool. That's all. See you later. Alligator, elevator, escalator. Get ready with me. Basta nakita nyo na yung makeup ko. Okay naman, diba? So, burado na yan, mama. Okay naman, diba? Bad trip! Let's go! Let's hear.
Mamaya wala na yung mga nasa.
Wala na ito mamaya. Ano ba yun? Wala pa kami makita. Yes! Let's go! Go, push natin to. Ito na ang huling beses na makikita yung maayos pang makeup ko. Dahil mawawala na yan. Guys, nandito na kami! At Dumudulan, Morissette. Dito na mag-start yung paglusong natin. Ready? Okay, go! Buti na lang nakabota na ako. Buti na lang nakabota na ako. Let's go! We made it!
After 1 hour.
1 hour lang to, Cezia. And we serve you. Grabe, nice pa din yung face. It's still facing. Also, magpa-power snack muna kami bago lumabas si Maring Taylor. So we have, what do we have? Yes. We have some chips and yung drinks namin. Water and Coke. Kain na kami.
Till I got it, I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
On the phone with your girlfriend, she's upset. Going out to fuck something that you say. See that I'm the one who understands you. Been here all along, so why can't you see?
I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh.
Dati kami na magpapropose ni Wala. Meron. And ayan na, mag-aantay kami. Let's see. Wala kami nakita. Guys, meron! Ayan o! May nag-propose!
Kung mga magpa-propose kay Sad, mag-send kayo ng resume nyo sa
So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh. Till I got it, I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I know about you, I'm feeling fine too. Everything will be alright.
like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own.
My ex-man on his new girlfriend is like, oh my god, I'm just gonna shake into the fella of my head. You're gonna have a good hair, baby, come on, little baby, you can shake, shake, shake. Forget what we never let it go. Forgive me, forget but we never let it go. Piyak na naman siya. Okay, we're gonna leave.
Bye, sorry, Taylor.
Yeah, sorry.
Habang pang flight.
I'm going home today, so I have a flight at 2 a.m.
Solid.
But yeah, everything is worth it. Thank you so much pala.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you to everyone who supported Charot. I didn't know. See, you wouldn't know what I mean. It's been one way, not my sky. Saktan na pa ako. Wala.
Airport na kami. Pero siya lang muna yung uwi. Naantok na ako.
See you guys. Thank you for watching.
Until our next vlog.